Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Progressive account. For that, first of all, you have to open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for progressive.com. Once you land on the official website, on the top right, you will see login option available there. Simply click on that. Here you have to enter your user ID at first to log into your account. Then the next step is you just have to enter your password. Click on the Save User ID button if you want to save this user ID in this website. And at last, simply tap on Login button to log into your account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.